Servant of God at INRI Evangelical Spiritual Church, Ejibo, Lagos State, Primate Babatunde Elijah Ayodele has prophesied that the People's Democratic Party (PDP) would not be able to unseat President Muhammadu Buhari in the 2019 presidential election if certain terms sanctioned by God are not followed by Atiku. The revered seer, speaking at his annual prophecy unveiling program in his church premises last Saturday, warned that PDP must do the right things if it wishes to win the 2019 general elections.
Atiku and Saraki, they are not do the right thing. If only they do the right thing, that's where PDP can win.
He said, "I said it the other time and I still maintain it. If PDP had given the ticket to Bukola Saraki, they will win because it's only Saraki that can unseat Buhari. But PDP stakeholders have not done what they are supposed to do. I said in 2015 that Jonathan may be the last president from PDP. I'm still standing on it unless they take a quick step, and that is for Atiku and Saraki to do the right thing. If only they will do the right thing, that is only when PDP can win. For now, I'm only seeing Atiku and Saraki play him." He also said, "That's all I'm saying on this matter. PDP will find it difficult to wrestle power from President Buhari come February 2019 election because they refuse to do the right thing from the beginning. Unless they put heads together and do the right thing, APC will still come back," he emphasized.
I said if PDP give the ticket to Saraki, that's what I said, and that's my take, and I will still stand by it. If they give it to Saraki, it's only Saraki that unseat Buhari. That's, I've not finished, there's continuity. If PDP is not careful, because PDP have not done what they're supposed to do. I said in 2015, I said if you guys not taking Jonathan being the last president of PDP, I'm still standing on it. Because if you guys not taking it, may be Jonathan the last president, except they take a quick step, and that quick step is Atiku and Saraki, they are not do the right thing. If only they do the right thing, that's where PDP can win. If only any party, any prophet can say anything, let's leave the judgment till after February.
Is it not late to do the right thing?
It's not too late.
What is the right thing?
Just leave it that way. If they put a right thing together, that is when PDP can win. But if they don't put it together, APC will still come back. Saraki and Atiku are still playing. They have not do what they're supposed to do in order to win the general election.
Ayodele also prophesied about political parties that would claim victory at the gubernatorial elections in some states in the country. For Lagos State, it would be business as usual, but APC will still win. In Oyo State, it's going to be tough. The PDP man there has missed it. It's still going back to APC. Ogun State is a troubled state. The election should have favored APC, but APC may not have it in Ogun State. Don't underestimate Amosun's candidate or the candidate from GNI, but LDP will never get the ticket in Ogun. For Delta State, he said PDP will take the state. For Rivers, though it's a do-or-die affair, Wike will still come back. Kano and Kaduna is for APC. Then for Imo State, if the PDP man is serious, he can take the state, but unfortunately, I don't see him to be serious. And if APC puts their house in order in that state, then they can win that state. APC may win Anambra State for the presidency. Ebonyi and Cross River states may go to APC if PDP is not careful in those states. This is because PDP has not done what they are supposed to do.
Lagos State is not going to be a usual business, but APC will still win Lagos State. Oyo State is going to be tough. The PDP man there has missed it. It's still going back to APC. Ogun State, that is a troubled state that everybody wants to hear. Yes. See, the thing is supposed to have favor APC, but APC may not have it in Ogun State. Ogun State is shaking seriously. If you underestimate Amosu candidate, he may take it, or GNA or GNI, whatever they call him. That is it. Not for PDP. That is the truth. Delta State, PDP. Kwara State, PDP, not APC. Kogi State, I'm afraid the governor will still come back. Zamfara is for PDP. Rivers State is do or die. The Wike will still come back. Kano is for APC. Kano is for APC. Kaduna, Kwara is for PDP. It's for PDP. Kaduna is still for APC. Saraki and Atiku are still playing. They have not done what they're supposed to do in order to win the general election.
Ayodele, who boasted that 95% of his prophecy do come to fulfillment, also foresaw challenges for the Fuji music king Wasiu Ayinde Marshal K1 the ultimate, but saw victory. Wasiu Ayinde will face many challenges, especially from younger musicians, but he will triumph, is said. The servant of God also warned that there will be more bloodletting and tension in the forthcoming election than was the case in 2015 when Goodluck Jonathan was president. I see bloodshed during the next elections. Let me warn that Buhari is not Jonathan, who settled for peace instead of war, is said.
I'm not saying my prophecy is 100%, but I can be proud, I can be boast of it today. It's 95% accurate. Me, I'm boasting of it. Anybody can write anything against it, I don't bother. The Fuji musicians must be very careful, very watchful. Honestly, Wasiu Ayinde will still make a lot of relevance in Fuji industry. Not in Fuji industry alone, but in music, Nigerian music in the year. And but the likes of some other musicians will gang up against him, which is a normal thing.
On record, Ayodele has a long list of fulfilled prophecies that misses. Some of his prophecies that have come to pass include the crash of Diamond Bank, death of American President George W.H. Bush, assassination of ex-chief of Air Staff Bade, rancor between the legislatures and executives, Bukola Saraki's victory at the Code of Conduct Tribunal, Ekiti election and Osun State elections respectively won by APC, resignation of Mama Taraba from APC, gas explosion in Lagos, the crisis in Syria, the death of veteran comedian Baba Salah, the Brexit controversial outcome in UK, the protest in France, the victory of Paul Biya of Cameroon, the refusal of President Buhari to assent the Electoral Amendment Bill, the imprisonment of former Philippine President, the ravaging flood in Nigeria and the S-men killings, the campaign of Sokoto State Governor Tambuwal and Benue State Governor Autumn, the removal of APC Chairman John Oyegun, the Air Force plane crash, the emergency landing of Air Peace aircraft, the oil price crash, Rivers Governor Wike's disagreements with PDP BOT, and many more.